So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Friday the 23rd of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened to prices and where prices may likely go. So, as you can see here, we've had a pretty strong run here on the XAUUSD. From retaking this 1358, we've had a move up above the 1320. We've held onto that level, came up towards a 1334.51. About 34.51, we've had a brief pullback down towards this 1328, from which we did trade as low as the 1325 level, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum return with enough momentum to break above the 34.51. Had a brief consolidation at 1337. We've had a break of the 1340, and we do seem poised for a test of 1344.26. Now, 1344.26 has proven itself an effective level, so it's going to be graduated. There we are. So it's now been graduated. So the XAUUSD. So if we do break and hold on to this 1344.26, we are then looking for price head up towards our 1350, but ultimately we are looking for price head up towards our 1357. Our highs in around 2017, and a successful break from which we are then looking for prices to head up towards the 1361.62 minor level there, but ultimately we are looking for price head towards our 1367.10. And if we do have sufficient volatility over the coming weeks or so, we could test the highs of 2016 all the way up at 1375 if we do have sufficient volatility in favor of an upwardly direction in light of the most recent trend here on the XAUUSD. If, however, we aren't able to hold on to the 1344.26, we're looking for prices to then head back down towards our 1334.51. Successful break from which we're looking for 1328, and if we do break down from there, we're looking for prices to retrace all the way back down towards our 1320.25, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 and 400 period moving averages. 1320.20, 1320.25 is also a significant level, so we're likely to potentially find support, or we'll oscillate in and around that area for some time before possibly heading back upwards towards our 1328 or possibly up to our 1334.51. Now we'll have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the XAUUSD. And as we can see here on the daily chart, we were having a series of lower highs. Prices have come down pretty close towards our 1305. We didn't quite get there. We traded as low as the 1307, so within about $2 of the 1305.20 that we were looking at. We have had this very strong bullish buy side momentum candle here. Had a brief pullback, and today, 23rd, so far we are having another a pretty sizable candle in light of the trend here, which was a degree of, it was a falling volatility. The candles aren't very large in size. There wasn't much range here, but we do appear to be picking up momentum, and the momentum this time is in an upwardly direction. So we've had this upwards trend. We've had this brief consolidation downwards. We've had this brief consolidation downwards, and we do appear to be breaking out to the upside to possibly retest those highs in around 1357, 1361, and 1367.10. And that's pretty much what we're looking at here on the XAUUSD. We do seem poised for further upside momentum here, and we've identified the levels that we are looking at to the upside. And with that said, that wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.